Welcome, brave soul, to the fog-shrouded corridors of the E-mini S&P 500 TPO Haunted Manor. Lantern in hand, let's uncover spectral levels, ghostly contexts, and spirit-safe trade ideas before you get spooked out of your gains. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 7,445, the attic trapdoor. Bulls must reclaim it before declaring the manor unhaunted. Value area low, VL, 7,416, the seller threshold. Price is currently below it, so the bearish spirits have the candles flickering. Point of control, POC, 7,425. The grand hall, where the most volume gathered, likely magnet if price crawls back into value. Current price, 7,410. Below value and below VWAP, buyers are carrying a flashlight with weak batteries. VWAP/EMA cluster, 7,415. Immediate resistance and the first creaking floorboard test. Support zone, 7,397 to 7,410. Current low to price zone. Buyers need to defend this or the ghost drag price lower. Resistance zone, 7,415 to 7,425. VW, AP/VAL into POC. First major rejection zone. Upper resistance zone, 7,445 to 7,451. VAH into session high. Above here, bulls may start exercising sellers. Single prints/thin zones, lower, 7,397 to 7,408. Thin seller corridor, break below can accelerate. Upper, 7,448 to 7,451. Attic crawl space. Acceptance above can trigger squeeze behavior. Market context. The last 20 bars show a sharp climb into 7,451, followed by a nasty pullback below vol 7,416. That puts the market in a bearish short-term posture despite the earlier rally. Price is now below POC 7,425, VWA, P7,415, and EMA 7,415. Meaning buyers need to reclaim the manor room by room before the tape looks healthier. RSI near 38 says momentum cooled hard, but not quite buried under the floorboards oversold. Volume analysis, cumulative volume, delta, CVD, breakdown, CVD proxy, open, 10,644 contracts. The seance began with buyers making contact. CVD peak, 34,162 at 7:45 Eastern Time. Bulls briefly lit every chandelier in the haunted ballroom. CVD low, 3,672 at 8:45 Eastern Time. Sellers slammed the basement door shut. Current CVD proxy, 13,534. Bounced from the low, but still far below the peak. Net read, sellers erased most of the morning delta strength. The late bounce shows buyers are not dead, merely suspiciously pale. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry zone, 7,397 to 7,416. Ideally after reclaiming 7,415 to 7,416. Stop loss, below 7,396, or wider, below 7,390, if using ATR breathing room. Targets, 7,425 POC, then 7,445 VAH. Short trades, entry zone, rejection from 7,415 to 7,425, or failed reclaim of VAL. Stop loss, above 7,426 for P, OC rejection shorts, above 7,452 for VAH rejection shorts. Targets, 7,400, then 7,397, with downside extension towards 7,385 to 7,388 if selling expands. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A, reclaim of val. If price accepts above 7,416, long towards 7,425, then 7,445. Stop below 7,408. The bulls find the hidden staircase and stop screaming. Scenario B, POC, rejection. If price rallies into 7,425 and fails, short towards 7,410, then 7,397. Stop above 7,426 to 7,428. Classic ghost in the mirror trap. Scenario C, breakdown, below thin zone. If price loses 7,397, short continuation towards 7,388. Stop back above 7,408. The seller door opens and nobody likes what's down there. Scenario D, VAH, squeeze. If bulls reclaim 7,445 with strength, long towards 7,451 plus. Stop below 7,425. Above the attic, the ghost may finally get margin called. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.